Donald Trump declares intent to end transgender lunacy pledge to recognize only two genders. US President elect Donald Trump has made a controversial declarations regarding transgender rights, stating his administrations would implement policies to officially recognize only two genders, male and female. Speaking at a rally in Phoenix on Sunday, Trump vowed to end what he referred to as transgender lunacy once he takes office in January 2025. His comments have ignited heated debate across the political spectrum, with supporters hailing the move as a return to biological reality and critics condemning it as an attack on the rights of transgender individuals. During his speech, Trump especially targeted gender affirming medical care for minors, referring to it as mutilations of children. He pledged to halt such practice with a stroke of his pen, signaling plans for immediate executive actions upon assuming office. We will put an end to this madness, Trump declared to a cheering crowd. There are only two genders, male and female, and we will stop mutilations of children under the guise of work ideology. While Trump did not provide details on the exact policies he plans to implement, his remarks suggest a push to ban gender affirming surgeries and hormone therapies for minors, which he has described in the past as harmful and irreversible. A history of oppositions to transgender rights. Trump's statements are consistent with his long-standing oppositions to transgender rights. During his elections campaign, he aggressively targeted the issues, running ads that mocked Vice President Kamala Harris for her support of transgender policies, including the expansions of protections for transgender individually in schools and workplaces. Trump's administrations from 2017 to 2021 also saw the rollback of several Obama era policies, including guidelines allowing transgender students to use bathrooms matching their gender identity, and the ban on transgender individuals serving in the military. Now, reactions to Trump's statement. The president elect coming have drawn sharp criticism from LGBTQ advocacy groups and human rights organizations who argue that such policies would undermine the dignity and safety of transgender individuals. Sarah Cat Alice, CEO of GLAAD, called Trump's remarks a dangerous escalation of anti-trans rhetoric. Transgender Americans deserve the same rights and respect as everyone else, Alice said in a statement. Policies that erase their identities and deny them access to medical care are inhuman and out of step with the values of equality and freedom. Controversially, conservative groups have praised Trump's stance, viewing it as necessary measures to counter what they see as the overreach of progressive gender ideologies. Tony Perkins, president of the Family Research Council, applauded Trump's pledge, stating this is a step toward protecting children from harmful and experimental medical procedures. Now, potential implications. If implementing Trump's policies could have sweeping consequences for transgender individuals in the United States, advocacy groups warn that such measure would discriminations and limit access to vital health care for transgender people, particularly minors. Legal experts also predict a wave of lawsuit challenges the constitutionality of policies restricting genders affirming care and rights. The Biden administrations have previously strengthened protections for transgender individuals, and a reversal under Trump's could reignite legal battles over federal civil rights law, including Title IX and the Affordable Care Act. Now, Trump remarks come amid a broader cultural and political battle over transgender rights in the United States. Several states have enacted laws restricting gender affirming care for minors, and debates over transgender participations in sport and access to bathrooms have dominating headlines. These polarizing issues have become a rallying point of conservative, while progressive continues to advocate for expanded protections and recognition for transgender individuals. Now, looking ahead, as Trump prepares to assume office, his administration's approach to transgender rights will likely remain a continuous issue for many. The president's latest remarks signal a deepening divide in the national conversations around gender identity, civil rights, and the role of government in personal medical decisions. Whatever Trump's policies will withstand legals and social challenges remain uncertain, but his statement in Phoenix underscore his intent to reshape the national landscape on this highly sensitive issues. So this is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news, DCTV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.